Hello friends, in today's session we are going to talk about the meaning and the significance of the report icons available under Regulatory Reports tab. Like me, I am sure many people after using Argus Safety for years are still not aware of this. Let's get started. Let us schedule a report to an agency. You will notice that an entry will appear on the screen. If you look closely at the icon, it means that the entry has been made but not yet saved. After we save the report, an exclamation sign appear over the icon. This means that we have crossed the due date of the report. The report was supposed to go on 20th of November, but we have missed that date. So it is appearing with an exclamation sign. Now let us schedule a new report. And this time we are going to give a future date. That means we still have time to send the report to the agency. Now we will save the case. You will notice a clock-like symbol appear over the report, which means that the report has been scheduled and saved. Now let us click on the final link to generate the report. You will notice that the report has been generated successfully. Now let us click on the Save button. You will notice a yellow line appear over the report icon, which means that the report has been generated successfully and a generated date is populated in the report section. Now let us approve the report. Let's go to the report details section and navigate to the routing tab. And approve the report. You will notice a tick symbol appear over the icon, which means that the report has been approved. Now let us mark the report as submitted. So let's navigate to the View Report Details tab and click on the Routing tab. Click on the Route button. You will notice a green line appear over the report icon, which means that the report has been submitted successfully. Now for this particular report, let's navigate to the View Report Details tab, go to the Submission, and we are going to select Submission Not Required, and we are going to enter a comment. Click on the OK button. You will observe a strike through icon appear, which means that the report is no longer required. We have a report which is currently under a generated state and we are going to disapprove it. Let's go to the View Report Details and click on the Routing tab. Click on the Route button and under the state select Disapproved. Click on OK. You will notice a cross symbol appear over the icon, which means that the report has been disapproved. Thank you for watching. Do take good care of yourself and your family. See you next time.